Alright, so you guys are probably wondering what's next for the channel.
What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. So today we got the final touches and final pieces to complete this Z06, what we've been waiting for and what you have been waiting for. So let's get started on the first piece. Yes, we got a big 8-foot pole. The first time I ever seen side skirts come in this way.
I've never had a package come in like that, so let's check it out.
That's pretty crazy.
Yes, sir. Oh, I see a Corvette right there. That's how you know it's what we need. Dang, them suckers are lightweight. Beautiful, man. That's sick, dude.
Which one's the left one, which one's the right one?
Just go stick it to it. Put it either on left or right side. Yep, that looks like that's dang, wrong side. Oh yeah, that's gonna freaking complete the car. Dude, that looks sick. With the vent.
That's a Z07 package style side skirt right here.
Pretty much.
That
is insane, man. It looks great with that, then the front lip. All we need is a rear carbon fiber diffuser.
I want to go ahead and snap this little piece in right here that we haven't installed, but we actually had it in our parts bin. We didn't see it, so we got it right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it real quick. It should be really simple.
I think that holds the inner fender pretty much, and we were missing that.
Yeah.
We actually ordered that from a dealership, but turns out we actually had it, so we returned the ones that we ordered and installed this bad boy right there, good as new. Yes, sir. Look at that. Completed that.
Now after that, I'm gonna go ahead and install this side skirt. Throw it on there for you guys. It should be really simple.
That is it for this side. Really nice and simple. Self-tapped into there and some 3M, which makes it very easy to do.
Dang, that looks
good. Oh yeah, it looks freaking good, man. Match the lip, the vent, and then they got the side skirt. Man, moving on to the other side. Alright, it's ready.
Ready as can be. Z06 supercharged.
Hey.
Now it's gonna be like, you know, what kind of car that is?
Hey, it's on the side of the car, man.
Ooh,
that's what I'm talking about, man.
Correct.
That is what I'm talking about.
That honestly, the little things like the side skirt and that emblem
really is what
makes the car.
For sure, dude.
It just makes the car.
Let's
move on to this other side real quick.
Yeah, all right. Before we throw on the main badge here.
Before we do the main badge.
Which that's gonna make it look sick too. So.
Oh yeah, it's gonna definitely, you know, just like I said, the little things just make this car perfect.
Hey, soon. When you're throwing on emblems and stuff like this, you definitely want to clean it with some wax and grease remover.
Or whatever you have, just make sure it's not some greasy type of cleaner.
Something that'll get rid of that grease, and that way that emblem's on there for good. What it's all about right there. Look how concentrated he is, man. He's getting it dead on the money.
Too expensive emblem to not get dead on the money.
And it's made in China. That's kind of funny.
Could have probably got the same ones off of eBay.
For like 20 bucks. We paid 30, but it's all good. We got them next day, so that's one thing I cannot complain about, honestly.
Yeah, that's probably why their prices are pretty expensive.
Because they're next day.
Next day, everything is overnight shipping.
Overnighted, so that kind of makes sense. I used to always hate on the stealership. Sometimes I used to call them, but look at that. They hooked it up in one day. It's great. Now we're gonna go ahead, wax and grease remove that.
Car's kind of dirty. You guys know black gets dirty, man, so easy, man.
Impossible to keep clean.
All right, the final emblem.
The final and the main.
Whatever this is, a racing flag or a bird, whatever you want to call it. Not 3M, but GM.
It ain't 3M, it's GM.
All right, guys. Some concentration.
Most people would have already stuck it, but most people would have had it crooked. 100.
As soon as I seen it line up, I just dropped it on there.
Locked in. And look at that. It don't get no better than that.
Some people like it without the emblem. I mean, it kind of looked cool at first, but
you know, it kind of
this just makes the car right here.
I like that.
That looks good, guys.
I like it.
All right, now we got to throw on the side marker lights.
Oh yeah, we also got these. This is the last thing. That's the actual last thing that's holding us back.
I like the tint of
cracking bad boys open right there.
Orange.
Definitely getting tinted.
You sure?
I mean, unless you want to see what it looks like. I mean, I really don't like that orange look. Tinted 100%.
It's like the only thing orange on the car. If they were red, that'd look cool. Like the back one.
Yeah, exactly.
If they were red, honestly, would not complain about it.
Yeah,
well, I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can come up with. I should have some tint laying around the house, so I'll be back. All right, guys. So I found some pretty dark tint that I like. I think it'll look really good on this orange, ugly looking side marker light. So I'm gonna go ahead and tint both of them real quick. That looks way better than what it did. Now that's gonna match the front end of the car. It's gonna match the black scheme going. So man, that turned out really great. So let's go throw them on the car. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this side on first.
Just one clip and the rest should be just simple. Pop in, I guess plug and play. Plug and play action, man. Nice. He fished it out. Look at him.
Plugs right in. I think it's LED.
Oh yeah, it should be for sure.
It just clips right in.
Dang, that looks clean, dude.
Oh yeah.
That is clean.
Way better than that orange.
Nice and subtle. That looks really good. Yeah, this wire's already right there, but you got to go up with it. Let me grab it. There you go. That's the last thing to complete this Corvette. How's it feel?
Man.
To be popping in the last piece.
All that time, work, and effort. Man, it's so worth it, man. This car is amazing.
For sure, man. Dude, this car is just absolutely amazing. I love driving it.
Man,
that's
looks
sick.
Amazing.
Looks even better when it's shady, you know. On that side, there's more sun.
Yeah.
But that looks awesome. There you have it, guys. The car is complete.
Alright guys, that is a wrap for this 2017 Corvette Z06. This has been a fun build. That's a wrap for the rebuilding process. It's completely finished. We don't know what we're gonna do next. We're planning on taking it to the drag strip. We're planning on taking it to the dyno, get this thing dyno tuned, see what kind of numbers we can get and put it up against the Mustang on the drag strip. Man, it's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to show you guys, and I can't wait for myself to drive these things and put them to the test to see how each of them run. reason why we're going so slow on some of these roads, man.
These tires are just freaking stickies, man.
There's a bunch of little rocks on this road because not a lot of people drive over here, so they just kick up rocks. I can catch a rock in my hand, so we got to be careful with that paint. You know, we don't want it to chip up the paint. So we're
no, sir.
Taking it easy up here, and then get on the main road, and it should be good to go.
Oh yeah, on the main road, super smooth. Man, it's so awesome. This thing handles in curves nice and freaking easy, dude. Especially because in wide tires and the wide body. Man, this Z06 is something else, man. All right, so you guys are probably wondering what's next for the channel. So I don't know what's next for this, but we're pretty much done. We're gonna leave it as is. We may sell it, or we may just keep tuning it up. We got more videos coming for the Corvette. It's not going anywhere just yet. We're gonna probably do some videos with the Mustang and the new build. These three builds are gonna be absolutely amazing together. So the rebuilding process of this Corvette is done. We got some more exciting news and more exciting videos. This channel is only going one way, and that's to the top. Very happy to share this build with you guys. This build has come a long way. This is something we never thought we would be able to do, but we put our mind and our heart to it, and this has become a true passion for us, and we are happy that we got some great fans, and you guys always support us in the comment section. You guys hit the like button. We appreciate you guys. All the people that support us on Patreon and the GoFundMe, guys, we appreciate you, man. You guys are motivating us, helping us move further, and just keep on keeping on, and just bringing you guys the best content possible. Stay with us, and you guys will not regret it.
Thank you guys for everything you help us do. We go through this together, not just me and him. All the comments, we read them. All the help, we take it in, and we help each other.
We see you guys.
This is just growing. We're going to the top.
One way.
We are really excited on the new build. We never thought we'd get to this point. It's been a lot of work and a lot of hard work, blood, sweat, and tears, whatever you want to call it. It's been awesome. It's been fun. But we're just going up and up. We're doing our dream cars, what we always wanted to do. And without you guys, we wouldn't be able to do this. This is all your guys' support and help. It's bringing us
to the next level. So guys, be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned, turn on your post notifications. Be sure to follow us on Instagram at Goon Squad. You get the inside scoop there before YouTube. Also, if you want to copy some merch, be sure to visit goonsquad.com. We are selling out, guys, so be sure to get you something. It's not gonna last long. Also, if you want to support us, the links are down below. All the support is much appreciated, and you guys are gonna help this channel grow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.